Alright, well I got a bit done last night. Got the insulators done. I got to bore these washers out a bit more. Worked out the wiring and everything. I lost my original middle drawing. Yeah, figure 1 supposed to be all of this, but that didn't work out. But I worked out where it's supposed to go. These 2 holes aren't actually used, so I didn't need to push them, but they're there if I want to do anything. I'm going to make some new bushes for C and D, which are the field windings, and these are the main pole windings, I think, or the brushes, sorry. They go through brushes and bridge from C to, sorry, A to B actually has a bridge across it, which was that little bit there. And I'll make a new one of them. I've got some terminals and things. And yeah, I'll be able to bolt that last pole in if I can find the other bit of insulation material for it. We'll come up with something. Insulation looks a bit daggy the way it is, but I had to put it in there. Likewise, I went shopping and got some good refrigerant copper and a good second-hand battery. Just came out of the battery pile at the yard. We used the amp draw voltage drop test meter, the heavy duty one, and it came up perfect. It was one of a pair that came out of an excavator or something, and they ditched the whole pair even though one was dead. This is a 12 volt 1000 cold cranking amp made in America. It's really good. So I'll put that on charge anyway. It's a tiny bit low from sitting around and neglect, but that'll work quite well. Now let's make some insulators for the Westinghouse. Nothing there. Yeah, bloody plastic shit. Dwarf always makes a mess. I hate the way turning plastic makes such a mess. You need a knife to cut all that off. This is the Acetal, by the way. Comes up silky smooth though. That's smooth. That's looking better. It's not wrapping itself around anymore. Pull it out. Don't do this on a big lathe, especially with big material. It will tear your arm off. Let's do a morning after start, see if I got any charge into the battery yesterday. That also affects the EFI apparently, because they're 12 volt injectors, and if you, a little spider under the door handle, if your 12 volts drops too low, you start losing it. So with the battery running down, it actually causes it to misfire and run like shit. Bloody wiper arms, bugger it. Heaps better. Still on cold start and low on fuel, but heaps better than it was. In gear's a bit low. neighbour's fence. Steering column bearing, that's what that funny groaning noise is. Bushing's dry. That's pretty good. Got to retune it. Click the math meter back another click, richen it up a little bit, and it idles a lot better. It hasn't tried dropping out anymore. I'll definitely get some more fuel and more injector cleaner into it. I've already put a bottle of injector cleaner through it, but this thing drinks fuel like it's nothing when it's so cold and running in the backyard. It's a lot better than the carby models were. They used to drink fuel like, fuck, I wouldn't be able to afford to run it if it was running the SU carburetors. EFI sort of tamed that problem a little bit. Taco's working again. That's just putting the fans on. Good. Got to make an auto cooler for it as well. The stock auto cooler on this thing sucks. The good thing is the auto fluid in the transmission's really nice. It doesn't have that burnt smell or colour, so it's good. It wasn't low either, it's just right. Oh, that'll do for now. Let's get some things done. Thanks for watching. Now I want to see what bigger tyres look like on the Rangie too. I know this is the wrong wheel style, but I just want to take that front off and just sit it in there with the car jacked up and just see what it looks like. I reckon it'll be pretty good. I had to wash all, I think it was dog piss or something on it. I bet the yard dog used this to piss on for the last week because the smell was unbearable. So I just hosed it with oven cleaner and it's like new now. So I'll use that for a just a quick mock-up. Obviously I can't bolt it on because the stud pattern's wrong. And yeah, look for a separate video on this one before I just stash it somewhere for now. I still want to get that Westinghouse on the go. But the Westinghouse is sort of like a late night project. It's not too noisy or messy. I'll probably be better off doing this now. Take the rocker cover up anyway and see what's inside. Somebody ordered the TPS, which is a Bosch unit, 0280122001. I believe it's just a potentiometer, so I could check it with the multimeter. So that can come off. Nothing else is really worth saving. The injectors, well, I don't know. Somebody might want the injectors or the little hole sensor thingy up here.